Okay, so part of your work then as well is to complete questions 8.1, or sorry, exercise 8.1, questions 1 and 2. Okay, so it's this kite logo, and it's also this image of the car. Okay, so in the kite logo, reproduce the original kite. So it's at a 60-degree angle. You're going to use your 60-degree set square to draw a line at 60 degrees. We're told that that line is 60 millimeters long, and we're also going to draw a perpendicular line to this at 36 degrees, okay, or 36 millimeters. Okay, when you draw them down, that's going to get you these 2 points. Now, so just to show how to go about them questions, what I want you to do is I want you to come down 120 millimeters and come in 260 millimeters. Okay, that's going to get you your starting point for your question. You're going to go ahead, then you draw it in. So you get a 60-degree line. You're going to draw that line at 60 millimeters, and you're going to draw this other line here at 36. Okay, so continue to draw in the rest of the question. So let's go back a bit. This squiggly line at the bottom, obviously there's no dimensions to it, so that's to your own discretion. We're told in the question that the point from P to P1 is 60 millimeters and it's at 45-degree angle. So again, you have a 45-degree set square. You're going to use it. Draw the mark it off 60. Okay. Now. Okay. So to get the rest of the points. So to translate all these points, we're told that we know that we have to draw lines parallel to the P1 line from each of the points. Okay, so in this video it doesn't show it, but I would encourage you to label the different points. So for example, maybe call this point A here, point B, point C, and so forth, or maybe 1, 2, 3, whichever way you find it easier. Just label them so you're not getting confused. So you're going to come along, drawing the lines parallel. Okay. Now, the length of these lines we know is the length of the P1. Okay, so we're taking the distance of P1 with our compass, and you're going to mark them off on each line. So see, as they are doing here. Okay, you're going to do the same from each of the points. From that, we can draw in the different points that you need to draw. And draw in a squiggly line again. Okay, obviously there's no dimension to that. And maybe just color it in just to show. And you see that what's actually happening here is we're just sliding that line, or that kite, along P1 to that different point. Okay, so we see here, we're just taking it, we're moving it along to the next point. Okay, so that's for the kite question. Now, so for the other one, which is this car one, it's the same thing. So I want you to come down 240 millimeters and come across 40 millimeters to get your starting point. Okay, you're going to draw the car in with the given dimensions. So we're given everything here of your dimensions. Okay, so you should be able to draw that there. Find point P and also find P1. Okay, so this is point P, this should be point P1. We are told that P1 is across 130 millimeters and it's a horizontal line straight across. Okay. Now, again, similar to that, you're going to draw lines parallel to P1. We know that it's a horizontal line, so all we can use our T-square to draw lines horizontal across from the given points, whatever points you find it necessary to do it. You're going to come along and you're getting the distance of P1, okay? You're again similar to before, and you're marking this off on each of the different points that you need, okay? And then that's all the different ones. Again, I would advise you to label the different points. So maybe A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay, that's P, and then H, or whatever way you want to label it, just so you don't get confused. Join up the necessary points, okay, and we see what's happening. And basically what's happening in this logo is from P to P1, we're moving the car as a translation across the different points. Okay, so you should be well able to do that question as well. Yeah, so that's on page 90 in your books.